Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah.
What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this hair do. We have a bob, we have a shoulder length, curly, effortless, straight out of the package type of bob girl. Okay, today's hair is from YASGRL. Okay, because yes to this unit. All right, listen, I think this is the quickest I've ever styled a unit because it came already curled like this. The hair is super dense, absolutely beautiful, high quality lace. Like it is like what lace? Hello. Okay, very, very pretty. Like it is so bouncy, so like this is some good hair. Okay, now this is my first time to work with this company, so you know I was kind of skeptical because you know whenever I work with a new company I'm always like, okay, what are they gonna send me now? But baby but baby girl, okay, look at this. Are you serious? This is so pretty. Like this is so pretty. Now, like I said, it already came, you know, packaged, curled up. So I didn't do anything to this more than put it on, you know, put some concealer in the lace area and kind of bump up the front just a little bit to frame the face. I was thinking I was going to cut it, but I just love how this looks. Like, this is so pretty. I am here for this. If you are in the short girl team, a part of the short hair committee, like this is going to be a unit for you. Like this is just so pretty. I am just yes, girl. Listen, make sure you check the description box. If there's a code, it's going to be down there or on the screen. I have to double check because I can't quite remember. All the information on this unit will be down in the description box. So make sure you check out YASGRL, and shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So without further ado, boo-boo, there's not much for me to say. Let's just get right on in to the video. Ooh, it's giving grown. Okay. It's giving I pay my own bills.
I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy up to no good. Smile for you. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you crazy. I don't need you. I don't need you. Safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need you, cause I got high ambitions, a boss vision. I'm granting all my wishes. I I don't need you. 'Cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single's being alone. Now I know I don't need you. You, I don't need you. You, I don't need you. You, I don't need you. Yeah. I make my own decisions, my lifelong mission, releasing inhibitions. I don't need you to come crawling back to me, to tell me that you're sorry. I'm better now, I'm happy. I don't need you, 'cause you've been blocking me and you've held me back from day one. Always kept me down so I couldn't fly on my own. Used to think that being single's being alone. Now I know I don't need you. You, I don't need you. You, I don't need you. You, I don't need you. Yeah. I'ma go out, I'ma dance now. Raise a glass to being alone. You can stop me, you can reach me, 'cause I'm too high to fuck on. I don't need you. You, I don't need you. You, I don't need you. You, I don't need you. Yeah. You, I don't need you. You, I don't need you. Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Loosen up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we miss it 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh, so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. enough for you. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with it crazy.
Yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super easy, and I just love this. I just love how this looks. And it feels so good on the head. Like, did glue down the top area, but if you want, you don't have to. Where's my ring? You don't have to do that if you don't want to. This speaks for itself. It is so pretty. It is so bouncy. It is full of body, full of movement. It just feels really good, and I just love thick hair. Like, thick hair, I feel like it always looks better on me, so that's, you know, like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I was really surprised. You know, when you see the units on the website and they come styled up, you don't know if you're actually going to get it like that, but this actually came like that, and I was like, okay, make my life easy, please. Why don't you? Like, I am not going to complain. All right, so this is one of those that you can just get it. Like, if you're in a pinch and you need your hair done, like, hello, okay, just cut the lace and go about your day, honey. Okay, that is it. So pretty, so pretty. The hair is super soft, lightweight, but yet so full. It really feels high quality. It looks high quality. It is just so pretty. I am just in awe of it. Like, I just love it. I love it. I can't get enough. It is so pretty. Listen, make sure you check out YASGRL. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. So without further ado, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon.